What a great day, what a great feeling, ladies and gentlemen. Good morning on this very important day. With a big applause, with a big congratulations. With a big congratulations because Neeraj Chopra made history. Neeraj Chopra is the first in the last 75 years of 1947 of the independence of India who won the first time individual category in India in track and field the gold medal in the Olympics, Tokyo Olympics 2020, but delayed due to Corona and happened in 2021. And on 7th August 2021, Neeraj Chopra made history. He made history, ladies and gentlemen, and the teaching that Neeraj Chopra gave to the whole nation and the youngsters, the young and the old, is that for success, what is the success mantra? The success mantra in the words of Neeraj Chopra is that when you love and like hard work, and when you don't get tired with hard work, success will be at your feet. अगर आप मेहनत से डरते नहीं हो, झुकते नहीं हो, थकते नहीं हो, और मेहनत ही आपकी पूजा है. वर्क हार्ड वर्क इज योर वर्शिप एंड प्रेयर. मेहनत आपको अच्छी लगती है तो जो ये कायनात है, जिस भी जगह, जिस भी फील्ड में आप हो, ये सारे आपके कदम चूम लेगी. And the third thing that he told, fitness begets success. Fitness से ही success मिलती है. So fitness first, ladies and gentlemen. Fitness first. Fitness mantra and zehn gets in मेहनत मंस पाथ रोज़न. मेहनत निश गछ न झुकुन. मेहनतस निश गछ न हारुन. हमेशा गछ मेहनत गछ खुश पठन करें, असल पठ करें, वदन गछ न क्या बॉडी हेकि थकित मगर दिमाग हेकि जहन थकित क्या दिमागुक 5% 3-4% यूज करान. 90 यम तो वुनस ताम दुनिया मज बड़ गमत नफर Einstein. Even the Einstein could use only just 4 or 5% of the brain. So the brain never tires. Body may tire. The brain is important, and that's what exactly Neeraj Chopra did. And ladies and gentlemen, God bless. Thank you. Keep smiling, keep happy and going.